until this point, I was just learning about silos and uh, uh,
Mm.
content hubs and uh, topic clusters or topical SEO or
Yes.
uh, holistic SEO. None of that was a regular conversation at this point. And so
Mhm.
I'm like, okay, bathroom doors, bathroom partitions. What is if we zoom in, you can zoom into like quality of the wood, quality of the paint for industrial purposes, but you're going to scrape the bottom of that barrel very quickly too. But if we zoomed out of that topic, now we're getting into commercial construction. Or you could zoom out to commercial construction from that topic. And then if you're in commercial construction, what is a shoulder niche of commercial construction? DIY construction.
Mhm.
So we went up on we zoomed out of the topic and scooted over and then went down that. So now we're getting backlinks from everybody and their mother about in the DIY topic, DIY commercial construction. But then there is the problem of how does commercial construction, DIY construction, align with bathroom partitions? Like that doesn't work. So we had to get
Mm.
creative